Hi my friends, today we model this part. As you can see, it has very interesting features. Dimensions are here, and we start with the main volume with this and this dimensions to apply revolve. To save time, I have already created this sketch placed in the plane XY. Finish sketch, I make it visible and I apply revolve. Okay. We see here a note: undimensioned fillets are radius 1, and we have to place this radius 6 here, somewhere at the base of this conical feature, and also these two ends. This is radius 6 plus this with 1 millimeter radius and this one. Okay. Next, we create this 6 holes, diameter of 47, and position on this circle with diameter of 120. Circular pattern, select the last feature, then the axis, and 6 is by default. Okay. It follows the propeller blade. Dimensions are here: 78, thickness of 3.5, radius 6, and this angle of 18. Let's create this blade. We select this face for a new sketch. Then we project this circle, F7 to see inside, and we draw a line starting from here, going tangent to this. It must be tangent. Press the left button and go here. Okay, then offset of 3.5. We connect the ends of these two arcs. We also place the condition of perpendicularity here. This internal circle has a radius of 60. The angle of this must be 18, but let me project the axis X. Then that angle of 18, the distance between this point and this point is 78. Project this circle and this circle and apply tangent between this line and this circle, this line, this arc, and this circle. This is missing. We have to extend this to the circle. we still have two dimensions, maybe tangencies or something like this. Apply, parallel and tangent. I use remove, but nothing is removed because these are constraints. Good. Finish sketch, extrude, this is not connected, cancel, I don't know what happens here. Because everything is okay. I place an arc to solve the problem. That arc is with the same radius. Okay, extrude this area on 32. Okay, now we have to apply a cut of 15 degrees. This is not real, but I don't want to create a new projection here, so you understand that this is 15. This angle is at 15 degrees from vertical. We create a new plane based on this and this. Now it is tangent, and we use it to create a new sketch. The sketch contains this line, and we draw a line here, then we go up and back to here. F7 to see what is here. This point must be placed here. The angle is 15, and F7, you see everything seems to be okay. Finish sketch, extrude the other direction, or cut to this plane. Okay, you see, very nice, very elegant. Next is this fillet of radius 6, and also this fillets of radius, default radius 1 millimeter. So radius 6 is here, and then we select the other edges to apply 1 millimeter fillet. Then we apply circular pattern for the last and this, but without this. I keep press the Control key on the keyboard, and I eliminate this. The axis is here, and okay. Good. Another feature is this diameter of 8 and tangent to this circle. You see here that this is placed on this face and going to this face. We select this face, new sketch, circle, diameter of 8, the same vertical with the center point, project this circle, tangent the circle with this other one. Okay, this must be construction, finish sketch, extrude the other direction, but join to this face. Okay, we select this face, new sketch, circle, diameter of 8, the same vertical with the center point, project this circle, tangent the circle with this other one. Okay, this must be construction, finish sketch, extrude the other direction, but join to this face. Okay, now we apply this hole with dimensions metric 4, 8 and 12. We apply hole, we select the face, we select the center, we select threaded, we change this with ISO, 4 millimeters is by default, and the length is 12 and this is 4. Okay, now we have here a thread. Now I apply fillets of 1 millimeter on this two edges. Okay, next is the circular pattern of the last previous about this axis, not 6 but 4 occurrences. Okay, I apply the same 1 millimeter fillets and the part is finished, my friends. Let's see what about the volume. Properties, physical, update, copy, close, drawing, double click, and the new value is almost the same. I keep pressed the new value even if the difference is so small. Okay, the material of this part is aluminum AHC. We select view, default IBL is changed with default lights, and now we can compare the two and we don't see any difference. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.